Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are well and doing fine gardening. Today I am going to introduce you to a plant. It's Lantana. We have heard or seen many times this plant Lantana. It's quite beautiful. Its flowers are small, tiny and with vibrant colors. But when I come to the advantages and disadvantages of this plant, is quite a very dangerous plant. it's 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 dangerous in such that it is a very invasive plant, and if in certain environments it can grow rapidly and outnumber the other type of plants, and it also damages the ecosystem of it can also damage the ecosystem of your garden. So we should be very careful if we want to put this plant, we just want to bring this plant in our garden. Otherwise it's a very hardy plant and don't need much care. It comes with some those tiny beautiful flowers. It's very nice. You can see the leaves. The leaves are uh, the leaves have some thorns in it, including the stem. So while handling the plant, we should also be very careful not to touch the stems with bare hand. Those tiny thorns are very hard to take out from our skin, and it can easily do some damages. Otherwise it's